AutoDS versus DSM tool, which is better for you? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between AutoDS and DSM tool to help you decide which platform is the best fit for your dropshipping business. Links to both tools are included in the description below. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed for both beginners and seasoned sellers. It automates product importing, order fulfillment, price monitoring, and inventory management across multiple suppliers and marketplaces. AutoDS also offers advanced features like AI-powered product research and bulk uploading, making it ideal for those looking to scale their business with minimal manual effort. The platform supports eBay, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, and Wix, providing flexibility for various selling channels. On the other hand, DSM tool focuses primarily on eBay sellers, offering robust tools for product listing, repricing, and customer management. It's a great choice if you're exclusively selling on eBay and want a cost-effective solution with essential automation features. DSM Tool's simplicity and eBay-centric approach make it perfect for sellers who prefer a more streamlined experience without the extra bells and whistles. In summary, if you're looking for a comprehensive, multi-platform solution with advanced automation features, AutoDS is the way to go. But if you're focused on eBay and want a straightforward, affordable tool, DSM Tool might be your best bet. Hopefully, this comparison helps you choose the right tool for your business. Check out the links in the description to explore these tools further.